Hello, little explorers, and welcome back. Last time, we had so much fun in the garden with our friend Barnaby. Today, I'm so excited to introduce you to someone new. Are you ready? Let's say hello to Daisy the deer. Daisy lives in a big, beautiful forest, and she loves going on adventures. Today, she wants to explore and see what she can find. She's going to teach us all about big things and small things. Look, here's Daisy now, standing in the big forest. The trees are so tall, they almost touch the sky. Daisy is starting her adventure. Tip-toe, tip-toe, she walks so quietly. What's the first thing she sees? Wow! She sees a huge brown mountain way in the distance. It's so big. Then Daisy looks down at the ground. It's a small, pretty purple flower growing in the grass. The mountain is big and the flower is small. Daisy keeps walking. Tiptoe, tiptoe. She's looking for her friends. Oh, who could be hiding here? Oh, look over there. She finds a big grey rock. It's smooth and round. But wait, what's that on top of the rock? It's a little yellow bird singing a sweet song. The rock is big and the little bird is so small. Daisy gives the bird a friendly wave and continues on her way. Now, Daisy comes to a stream. The water is clear and cool. She gets ready to jump. 1, 2, 3, go. Splash, splash, splash. Daisy jumps right over the stream. Whee! She says with a giggle. She looks all around her at the wonderful forest. The forest is big, Daisy thinks, but I am very brave. It's so much fun to explore new places and not be afraid. That was a fantastic adventure with Daisy. Did you notice all the new words we heard? Let's learn them together so you can use them too. It's our special listen and learn time. First up, let's talk about a color Daisy saw. Can you say this with me? The mountain is brown. Let's try it again. The mountain is brown. Great job! Brown is a color we see everywhere in nature. It's the color of yummy chocolate, the strong trunks of the trees in the forest, and even the soft fur of a friendly bear. Can you look around you right now and find something that is brown? Next, Daisy saw something beautiful and small. Let's say this sentence. The flower is purple. Your turn. The flower is purple. Wonderful! Purple is such a lovely and special color. It's the color of juicy grapes, pretty lavender fields, and it's often seen as a royal color, fit for a king or queen. It's a very pretty color, isn't it? Remember the little friend Daisy found on the rock? Let's practice this sentence. Daisy sees a yellow bird. Let's say it one more time. Daisy sees a yellow bird. Preferred. We use the word a before yellow because yellow starts with a jar sound, which is a consonant sound. We say a yellow bird, just like we would say a big rock or a small flower. You're getting so good at this. Okay, for our last word. This one is my favorite. Daisy said it at the end of her adventure. Can you say, I am brave in the forest. Let's try it together. I am brave in the forest. Fantastic. Being brave means you are strong and courageous, even when you feel a little nervous. You are brave when you try a new food, when you make a new friend, or when you explore a new place, just like Daisy did. You are all so brave. You did an amazing job today exploring with Daisy and learning new words. The forest is full of big and small wonders, and it's always fun to be brave and discover them. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to come back for more fun stories and learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.